Hey folks! Today, we're diving into the Fujifilm X-T1, a pro-level camera that's all about performance and resilience. Packing a 16.3MP X-Trans CMOS 2 sensor with the EXR processor too, this powerhouse delivers crisp, detailed shots. And the cherry on top? It's weather-resistant, dust-resistant, and can handle chilly temperatures down to -10 degrees Celsius, making it a versatile companion for various shooting conditions. One of the highlights? The real-time viewfinder, boasting a 2.36 million OLED display with an impressive magnification ratio of 0.77x, offering an immersive shooting experience. Plus, the bundled XF18 to 135mm WR lens enhances versatility. Navigating settings is a breeze with the tactile analog dials for shutter speed, EV compensation, ISO, drive, and metering mode, ensuring quick adjustments on the fly. And let's talk about speed. The continuous shooting at 8 frames per second with tracking AF lets you capture fast-paced action with ease. Sure, it lacks image stabilization, but with a max shutter speed of 1/4000 seconds and a minimum of 30 seconds, it's a reliable workhorse. The 3.0-inch 1040K pixel LCD screen adds flexibility with its tilt feature. The Fujifilm X-T1, with its blend of robust build, exceptional performance, and weather-ready design, is a solid choice for enthusiasts and pros alike seeking quality and durability in their gear. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.